Hey guys, good afternoon. So I wanted to make after the trading day, right? I wanted to make this video because the last video that I made on SPY, I basically said that we were headed towards 492. We almost hit that today. We were about 50 cents away. As of right now, I basically just say that 492 is hit. We do have news for the rest of the week. So I wouldn't necessarily say that this is gonna keep going straight to 495, depending on news, right? If news actually comes out bullish and towards the bullish side, right? If it either comes out neutral or bull, you're definitely going to see 495 within the next 2 weeks, right? If it comes out really bad, you're probably going to come right back down here to like 487, this mid trend here, right? So it really depends on news tomorrow and Wednesday. So on the safer side, it definitely makes more sense to just kind of like not hold anything past news, and then just kind of wait and see what the market does, honestly. So, 492 target basically hit. I'd wait to see what happens right now at news point, because I do think we could pop a little bit to like 492 and then drop. Or if news is actually extremely good, you could just completely just moonshot to like a 495. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. 492 target basically hit, and then we'll kind of go from there. We'll see you guys later. Bye bye.